This video provides a detailed step-by-step guide on how to replace the spring assembly in the upper rotator for enhanced smoothness and reduced noise during rotation. Let's get started. Begin by removing the retention screw of the rotator tension knob using a 2 mm hex key, followed by the knob itself. Proceed to remove the rotator tension screw with a 3 mm hex key. Take out the wave spring and washers. Install the new spring assembly, which comprises a washer, a wave spring, another washer, and a spring. Reinstall the tension screw. Test the rotator click-stop tension and vibration by rotating the rail back and forth. The new spring assembly should result in decreased retention and vibration. Included in a sealed bag are 2 additional spare washers. One is slightly thinner and marked with minus, while the other is slightly thicker and marked with plus. If the tension feels too weak, replace one washer in the spring assembly with the thicker one marked with plus. Conversely, if the tension feels too strong, replace one washer with the thinner one marked with minus. Finally, reinstall the tension knob. To minimize vibration and rattling noise during rotator movement, add a green O-ring to the knob. Secure everything by reinstalling the retention screw. This is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.